Hello, my name is Esha and I'm working as a BBA manager for Vivo West Bengal. I attended a training on influence and impact by Miss Pritha Dubey about a year ago. And this training is very close to my heart because it was my first training with ma'am. And the most relevant topic of that training was procrastination. And this word shall remain with me all my life because this word actually taught me that any task that we get in our day-to-day life that should be completed within a certain time period and not be kept for future because it loses its impact. And as a facilitator, ma'am is extremely friendly. She engages with her audience. She knows that what her audience wants. And coming to the content of her training programs, all the contents are very, very relevant to our professional life. They are very essential for us. And each training topic, we utilize it in our day-to-day work life. So thank you so much, ma'am, for these engaging and extremely captivating training programs, and looking forward for more training and learning sessions from you. Thank you.